Hey guys, and welcome back to slimerancher. So last time we were getting these quantum slimes. Yeah, that's what they're called. Oh yeah, those motherfuckers was just escaping all the time. Wait, what? Oh, they changed the buttons for it. No, that's cute. That's cool. Cute's cute. Well, let's try to get that Gordo snare, because it was bad. What the fuck are you? Alright, I don't really remember when I put you there, if I really did. It's 17 minutes left on that. Why is all this shit pink? Oh yeah, by the way, I was coloring. Did I record when I got the slime, oh, clip-on finishing. This is so hard to get. Anyways, I think. So, anyways, I was like, yeah, I got that little shit playing toy machine. That's what they're called. So I was trying to buy this power cell, but I literally got, yeah, I got out of money. And I get out of floors too, but now these are feeding, so yeah. I feeded them before I actually started recording, so yeah. They pooped. Shit ass bit. So let's try to do that. Oh, yeah, now I have the money for it. I have money for 2, which is even more amazing. A power cell. Here you got your little power cell. No! You dumb bastards. Yeah, it's coming in. Take a fucking chill. There you have it. Hope nothing's going. Hope it's not gonna explode or something. Let's buy another one. Let's buy fucking. Is it nothing for crystals or for quantum? Yeah, cause I want them. No, let's just find a rubber ducky. Come on. These are for this. Yeah, I think they are. Oh, now they all want to come play with it. Where did the power still even fucking go? I think it's in a... They're literally standing on it. What fun is that? Oh, yeah, but they're so good. They are so good. They're like cleaning it. But actually, they're not. But it looks like that. And it's so good. That's when post slimes were less shy. Yeah. What'd I get? No. You were the one chicken guy sending me that weird chicken ass picture. Yeah, by the way, did I say that? Because I got more colors, and then grape shot. Grape shot? Grape shot is not nice. I want cobalt. Take. If I have grape shot here, how would that look? Nah, that's cool. So cobalt is still my favorite one. I can't select it. Oh yeah, because I didn't have an attack. And I just realized that this is pretty cool. So it changes my gun. You can have blue if I want. It's pink. Anyone makes it like gold. I guess you are, but let's just have it blue, because that's nice. That's fucking nice. The cobalt. Yeah. So I think I did actually plant something here. And I need to try to get those quantum shits. Wait a second. What happened to this? Holy shit. Wait. Did anything happen? I don't think so. Slimes. Wait. It's almost making me fucking mad. Like, it's not only that. This is taking forever. And that means that I don't get any odd onions at all. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting some odd onions, but not much at all. 3, 4 is like the max I can get. That's very annoying, but it's also good, I guess, that they're giving me carrots too. But they're both veggies, so it doesn't really matter. Come on. No, don't you fucking, no. Alrighty, then. I hate this shit. I really fucking hate fruit and veggie. Alright, fine, you're getting food. But just don't even think about going in there. Alrighty, tighty, mighty. Actually, I sent, an issue report that there were, when they glitched like that, they were able to go through walls, and I'm not, maybe it is like supposed to be like that, but if it's supposed to be like that, that's only annoying. Then I just want to kill all of them. Like, seriously. Fuck them then, who needs them? Anyway, let's give him some food. Here you go, but only the ones that are in. You're getting all the food. So, we're getting floors. That's amazing. So it doesn't really affect my floors. Okay, it does. It really, really does. Because then not much it really is eating. And yeah, they're trying to escape, but they don't care at all about getting more food. Robo Ranger. Yeah, because you know what? Let's see if I can. If I have a, yeah. By the way, when I was gone, I finished a bit more of these, so that's good. Crispy cracker, yeah. So I got more of the. Oh, at least I got more of those. That's awesome. That's amazing. Now let's give them some food too. Now you, there's your only food. You have one more key break, so I already fed you today. You're getting food. Getting some nice ass fucking food. Eat the shit, eat the shit. Now we just pack 2 in here. Oh, 1. That's not good. This can create a tar. And tars. Fuck! You little fucking bitch! See, that's why I'm doing that. I want to keep them all safe from tars. I want to keep them all away from tars. Those are bad. Don't touch them. They'll fucking eat your face. It's your fault, okay? Actually, you're gonna get some food. Nope, you don't want some, but you're getting it anyway. Just when you give me your fucking floors. I'll just keep an eye on you. Hey, wait a second. Go play with that. It's not dangerous. See, alright. This is what happens if you don't mess with... If you mess with me, alright? You die. You get incinerated. Come on. Play with it. It's okay. I don't mind. I want to kill more of them. It's fun to, like, shoot them in. Pew. Oh man, I didn't even hit him. But these crystal slimes, are they like an upgrade or something? rockety rockety rock, sorry. Rock climbs? Yeah, might be, I don't know. Ow! That's pretty loud now, actually. Actually, I don't think it's loud for you. So... Man, you were like 80 before. Now you're so low. Get on, get on, get on, get on. Here's my boom and honey. So, what am I supposed to do now? I've got to do this shit too. How much time is it left? I think it is like 7 minutes. Oh, pretty close. Pretty close. So wait, is there actually a time? There is a time. And I think I know how I'll get the better treasure cracker. You know what? I'll just take a look at the thing. So see when I have it, alright? So yeah, clearly we're back, and I just needed to find out if there actually was a quantum Godot. And yeah, I know it's in a port or something. A port? I don't really know, but everything I know is I saw that it's of course a breaks in anyways, so it must be in the fuck. What the fuck is that? Is that a fucking Gordo? That is a Gordo, but I can't. You motherfucker. Oh no. No, what a bad luck. Alright, I found one Gordo. I don't know why I'm saying that so weird. Anyway, so how are we gonna get around? Maybe here? Nope. Then there. Yeah, that's logical. Well, no, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Wait, does anything happen to you if I... Yeah. Thank you, Tabby. Why is everybody so fascinated? You can also go there, you know. Love killing people. Well, there's gotta be a way up there. There's a tree and gun. And I just realized though, in the last episode, I think, I said that, yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah, but I think I said like something. Hello? Oops. See. Anyways, I think I said. I don't know what Yeah, those trees, the yellow trees. You know those. Well, here. The music wasn't even fucking playing. So I thought they were the trees that you had to feed, but they weren't. They just look like quantum. And they clearly are quantum, but not that kind of trees. They're not dropping anything, even if you feed them. It's these other trees, I don't know really what they're called. I think like face trees. Not face like a face. A P. They drop face lemons, which are nice. Cause that's just awesome to feed the Gordo. The quantum Gordo. Oh yeah, and I just realized the blue echo. It's for decorating your, you know, the echoes. It's for decorating your place. And well, if you have a lot of these, you are truly a decorator. If not even a master decorator, I don't know. So as soon as I have full power, I might go there. So I didn't really take out a lot. Well, before I'm actually gonna do that, let me just do this shit. Cause oh god, eat your shit. All right, would you? Oh, thank God it was bushwhacked. It looks like something else, like whole different. Anyways, let's fucking do it. Let's be like a beast. Because we finally got it, actually. Nice. Go to snap. And we have it. I'm gonna place it back at my ranch. They never told me how much cycles it's gonna left. So I guess forever. Forever or once. It should be forever. Cause I mean it shouldn't really broke. Because they're standing on it. Yeah. Awesome. So let's head to the temple again. Alright, here we are. And this should be enough. Otherwise I will just go get some more. But please tell me this is enough. Die. No, it's not. Well, let's go get some more then, shall we? Ba-ba-dam bum. Ba-ba-dam bum bum. Ba-ba-dam bum bum. Let's get like almost a huge amount. Oh, that's definitely growing berries. So oh, there's a pot here and a crate back there. So what can be in the pot? Oh, verdant grass patch. Alright, fine. Hey, a fruit. But it's just one fruit though. Die, cause you have me. Die you too, cause it's fun to kill. Actually no, but let's just find some fruit. Oh, yeah. Exactly when I said it. I found 4 fruit. Oh, he was too greedy. He died because he has his own actually greediness. Well, too bad. There's that Gordo. Actually, I think I'm walking too far away, but I'm walking even more far away. Well, at the same time I said that. Awesome. Alright, let's go back if it's nothing here. And it was nothing here. But this time we'll take this path. Which means we can find some fruit. I don't think so anymore. God, I'm like sick. Yep, I forgot my jetpack. Yeah, but I can't go there. Oh, well then, let's just go there anyway. Yeah, that's good. That's a good thing to do. Do shit anyways. Let's wait. From Cassie. Yeah. What are you gonna say? I know the most things, not the most things, like the very starter things. Is this back, or is it more to, no, this is back. Fuck. This is gotta be enough. You motherfucking fucker. Righty tighty. Oh. Well. I just saw when I got here. Alright, so there's the Gordo. And here's my fruit. the jump. I'll be canceling if I can't. Oh, I can! I actually fucking can. That's cool, all the way to there. So this was open now. Yeah. Then he didn't even have time to prepare to get fucked. Let's see, this mustn't even do it. At least he's shaking. Yeah, he is. Found him. Maybe a bit too late to see that. Do you count as a fruit? No, because that clearly has lemons, and that must be its favorite, because it's glitchy lemons, and duh. Alrighty, let's go all the way over here, and this fruit hasn't even grown yet. There we go, that fruit has. Amazing, but I actually want the lemons, the face lemons. I actually got one. Oh, well, you're not gonna stop me. Nope. Yeah, there is. 2 in 1. And boom. Fuck. Please, where did everything go? No. Get collected by me and just die, please. Fuck off, I need you. Alright. Well then. Oh man, just wasted some fruit. I wasted some fruit. Oh, but I found some more. Amazing. Fuck off. I want my echo, alright? I'm not gonna throw it away. But anyways, I'm gonna throw away a lot of other shit. Like this, and this. So I gotta have more place in my inventory then. Let's go find some food. It's just veggies. Which means carrots everywhere. I gotta find some fruits when I don't even fucking need them. Oh! Have a module MK3, which means I can have 250 health now, but that's not even actually worth it. I don't need health. Well, maybe that was if you could have like jobs in this, and then was a tar fighter or like a police, then it may be worth it. But right now, nope. Okay, nothing on that. It's just on those that are actually hanging down, and those are the worst. No! Oh, fuck. Alright, it's just me. One by one. Just one direction to go. One direction, the band, you know what I mean. Any more? Nope. So, what are we gonna do? Now, what a good ending if it ends here. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna leave this episode here. I wasn't even gonna say it. I just said I wasn't for some reason. Though. How do I get back? Oh god. Oh. darn it. Well, yeah. I'll see you what I'm doing. This isn't gonna be enough. It was, yes, fine. Oh, yeah, I got a slime too. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, gotcha. That's gonna be my thing. Yeah, that can be a good thing. You know what? I'm sick of all of these fucking weirdos. Alright, it seems like it's Taurus up ahead. Let's just be safe down here, shall we? Shit, like... Alright, the tabby slime is safe now. That's amazing. There we go. Is that all of them? Yeah. Yeah, I got some face lemons. See ya when I'm back. So here we are. We're gonna go now. We're gonna open this door, I think. Yeah, let's do that. I hope this is not just a silly ass shortcut. Come on. And I thought it was gonna be like a temple cool area. But that doesn't matter, who cares? This is a cool area. But I think I'm gonna leave this episode of slimerancher here, and if you liked it, then make sure to like it and subscribe, so that will help me a lot. Well, if you liked it, then punch the like button. Yeah, I already said that. In the face, I was gonna say. Yeah, that was a bit cringe. Anyway, so go explore the next area in the next episode. Well, hope you liked it. See ya.